So what I'm gonna do is, when I got his arm over like this, I'm gonna hold, okay? I put my leg on the hip, turn, and then I'm gonna pit stop from here, okay? Of all of these, this is the one I kind of lean towards and do the most. Is I take this hand and I cross grip. So I grab over and hold here, okay? Try to pull his arm over. I take this hand. Sometimes I get one thumb in there and I'll hold just kind of like the back right behind his neck like this and pull down, okay? Because I got the cross grip, I can't necessarily pull his arm too far. I'm trying, but I can kind of keep his arm about here. So what I'm gonna do is, when I got his arm over like this, I'm gonna hold, okay? I put my leg on the hip, turn, and then I'm gonna pit stop from here, okay? So 1, 2, pinch, like a squeeze, cross, so my legs are here, I squeeze. Now I wanna figure out what I wanna work on from here. This is the first submission that I like to do from here. I take his hand, I keep it bent, I put it to my body and I turn a little bit, okay? And I'll go up like that. Okay, that's the first one I try. I get his hand, put it on my body, I squeeze, my hips go that way and I pull this to me, okay? A lot of times when you try this, when the guy fights it, he'll straighten his arm, and then you go back to this, okay? So one more time. I go here, grip, grip, hold. Turn, pit stop, or hold, swing over top, pit stop. Double grip here, boom. If your partner, if you end up getting this specific grip right here, you can hit a wrist lock. So sometimes you'll get this grip, okay? So if I get this grip, I'll put my hands on top, his elbow's in my hip, and I push straight down, okay? So I'm trying this. While I'm trying this, sometimes this happens. I'm not grabbing his fingers, I'm just grabbing his hand like this. If I get this, I put my other hand on top and I push this down. When I push this down into my hips, I put my hips up, okay? That's a wrist lock. Again, this is the one I like the most. So I go grip, grip here. You can go swing right over top, or you can go 1, 2, swing over top. Here, you're holding, okay? First one, a grip, grip, arm bar. Hand, hand, wrist lock. Put this over my hip, arm bar again.